How can I list all system restore points? I know when I click on Show More Restore Points in the Windows 7 System Restore application, it shows up more restore points. But are they all there? Only a few more showed up, and I believed I must have had more. I also checked the disk space I allocated for the restore points. There is still much space left.
Run PowerShell as an administrator. At the prompt. This will list all the system restore points. PowerShell offers for contlets to manage system restore and/or restore points. Disable Computer Restore. Enable Computer Restore. Get Computer Restore point. Restore Computer. For assistance with any of them, you can add Get Help in front of the commandlet, i.e.
System Restore is implemented using the Volume Shadow Copy Service, Volume Snapshot Service, VSS. As such, you can use vsadmin in an elevated command prompt to list all of the restore points. Note that Windows Backup also uses VSS, with shadow copies stored on both the system and backup drives, so if your backup drive is connected, the shadow copies stored on the backup drive corresponding to these backups will be listed as well. Add for is equal to C column to specify the volume you want to list the shadow copies for, replacing C column with the volume letter of your choice if it is not C. While this isn't the easiest way to work with restore points, you can use the creation date and time and shadow copy ID listed in the output from the above command to delete specific restore points, using the vsadmin delete shadows command. You can also create restore points with vsadmin create shadow and change the amount of space available to restore points with vsadmin resize shadow storage. More information about vsadmin is available in this TechNet article.
While I'm late to this question, this is possibly of use to someone. If you want to know how long ago the last restore point was, the restore point creation date property needs to be converted before use. And to get how long ago it was, you need a time span calculation. Hopefully this will save someone a bit of frustration.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.